Hello everyone, this is Edgo Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your speaker housing / cup on your Bose Ultras. Tools you'll need, forgot to mention that, is prying tool and a Phillips 2.0 screwdriver. And you just want to pop this off because these are sitting on clips, nice and simple. Put those aside, just like that. Now you'll have some screws to take apart. 1, 2, 3. I already took this one off just for it to be quicker. This one you do not have to take out. This is for the board. And usually these are in pretty darn good, so don't be scared to put some pressure, just like that. We also have a video on how to replace your actual speaker inside, the actual speaker driver. It's a little bit more difficult of a repair. That's why we're doing this one, because we'll also have parts for the whole speaker housing with the speaker driver inside, or the speaker driver itself. Grab your pry tool, pop that clip up, pull this out, grab your new clip or your new speaker housing, get it right in there, wiggle it in, make sure it's all the way in. Don't put too much pressure because you could break it pretty easily. Bend that clip back down, make sure it's flat, and then give it a small little tug like this to make sure it's not coming out. That means it's in there secure. Perfect. Once put speaker housing back on, make sure there's no gaps. If for some reason it's sticking up even just a little bit like that, something's in the way, but it has to be fully flat like that. Grab your screws and go right back in. And don't forget, with most headphones, you do not want to put the screws in too tight. The moment it starts force, like the force is pretty good, you want to stop, because if you go too much, you can crack the housing, or you can cause an issue of the ANC and the speaker driver getting too close together, because they're two different ones. The speaker driver and the board, big mess. Place that back on, ear pad with clips. And that's how you place your speaker housing with the driver on the right side.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.